In this video, we're going to go over how to manage comments. One of the easiest way to manage comments is from right here in your dashboard. Here in the activity box, you have a list of your most recent comments and a variety of options to manage them. From approving them to marking them as spam, this is the fastest way to manage comments. If you don't see your activity box, be sure and head up here to your screen options and make sure you have the activity box checked. If you don't, it won't be there. You can also manage your comments from the comment section over here in your navigation, so let's go ahead and go there. Here we'll take a look at our most recent comments, and it's broken down into a few sections. Here you have the author of the comment itself, in response to what post, and the date and time it was submitted on. If you come over here to the comment section, you have the options to unapprove it, reply to it, edit it, mark it as spam or trash. And over here you get to see who the author was and from what IP address they wrote the comment. And just like posts, you have bulk action features up here at the top. And if you need to search for a particular comment, you have a search bar over here. To manage comment settings, you can head over here to your settings and click on discussion. And this will bring you to a page that allows you to make changes to the details of the comments that are made on your site. From what you can see, there's quite a few things you can adjust. So if you ever have any questions about either one of these screens, you can always head up here to your help tab, where you'll get a brief overview over the screen that you're on and a link to documentation and the support forums where you can ask questions.